There comes a moment when you realize you can no longer keep living the same way. And somewhere between pain, failure, and rebuilding, Pop was born.
We live in a world filled with negativity, stress, distraction, anger, division, and people everywhere are silently struggling. A lot of people feel lost, disconnected, and stuck inside their own minds. And honestly, I understand that feeling because there was a time in my life where I believed everything was over. I lost direction, I lost confidence, and for a while, I blamed everything around me. I blamed the world, my circumstances, everyone but myself, until I asked myself one question like, what could I have done differently? That question changed my life because accountability gives you your power back. It stops the blame and starts the rebuild. One better decision at a time. That's when I realized something. Rebuilding your life doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly, quietly, one better decision at a time. One honest moment, one small action, one better thought. Today, people are constantly told to blame, to stay angry, to avoid responsibility, to escape instead of rebuild, but that mindset destroys people. It keeps you stuck. That's why Pop exists. Power of positivity, not fake positivity, real positivity, built through accountability, growth, discipline, and purpose. Positivity is choosing thoughts that move your life forward, even when it's hard. Ownership is taking 100% responsibility for your life, your choices, and your future. Progress is the relentless pursuit of being better than you were yesterday, one step at a time. Purpose is becoming someone stronger through the process of rebuilding. Pop isn't just content, it's a mindset, a rebuild, a movement for people ready to take their power back. Because your life isn't over, you're rebuilding, and you don't have to do it alone. You are part of something bigger now. Join us inside Pop. Rebuild your mindset, rebuild your life. If you're ready to start your rebuild, link in the description. Welcome to Pop.
And that's why Pop exists. Not for perfect people, but for people who are ready to rebuild through positivity, ownership, progress, and purpose. Your life isn't over. You're rebuilding. Stay positive. Stay accountable. Mindset rebuilders.